two equal forces acts on the object in an opposite direction, torque experienced on it. Now, what is the equation for the torque? Torque is equal to force into perpendicular distance. One force acts in this direction, another force acts in this direction. For these two forces, this is the perpendicular. The torque is force into perpendicular distance. Okay, now a current carrying coil taken in the uniform magnetic field, torque is acts on it when the current carrying coil, current carrying conductor taken in the magnetic field, force is experienced. But current carrying coil is taken in the uniform magnetic field, torque is experienced. It means two forces acts in opposite direction. Now let us take, this is a uniform magnetic field. This is one rectangular coil PQRS. Consider a rectangular coil PQRS of length L, breadth B. Length L, breadth B in uniform magnetic field. Now, when current passing through, when current flows through PQ side of the coil, force F is equal to BAL acts on it into the plane. Now let us see. This is the magnetic field. Current flows. Fleming left hand principle. Now this is the magnetic field. This is the current. Then the force is acts into the plane. Next. Here theta 90 degrees between B and I. When current flows in this direction, force acts in this direction. Okay. Now the current flows after PQ flows through QR side. When current flows through QR side of the coil, no force is acts. Why? The current direction, magnetic field direction, both are the same. We know that F is equal to BAL sin theta. BAL sin theta, here theta is equal to how much? 0. That's why no force is acts. When current flows through PQ side, force is acts. When current flows QR side, no force is acts. Here perpendicular, here parallel. Next, when current flows through RS side of the coil, force F is equal to BAL acts it and out of the plane. Why? Here force is in this, current is in this direction, magnetic field is in this direction. Magnetic field and current both are opposite. Then the force is acts in this direction. Okay, it is out of the plane. Here theta is equal to how much? 90 degrees between B and I. We know the equation for force, F is equal to BAL sin theta. But theta is equal to 90, that's why F is equal to BAL. Next, when current flows SP side, when current flows through SP side of the coil, no force is acts. Here, theta is how much? 180 degrees between B and I. Why? Magnetic field is in this direction, current is in this direction, both are opposite, angle is 180, sin 180 is also 0. Means when the current passing through the coil, force is acts when flows along PQ side and RS side, but current flows QR side and SP side is 0. But when current flows PQ side and RS side, the force is same but acts in opposite direction. In this case, force F is equal to BAL acts in an opposite side of the coil. So torque is acts on the coil. Just now only we can say what is the torque? Force into perpendicular distance. What is the force F? Perpendicular distance is B. For this force, this is the perpendicular distance. So what is the F? F is equal to BAL. Right, BAL into B. Here length, it is breadth. Length into breadth is area. A is equal to LB. area of the coil. If the coil has capital N turns, what is the principle for torque? Tau is called NBIA. If coil makes an angle theta with magnetic field, tau is called NBIA cos theta. Okay? When current is passing through the coil, lies in the uniform magnetic field, torque is experienced on. Otherwise, torque is experienced on current carrying coil taken in the uniform magnetic field. What is the equation for it is tau is equal BIA. B is called magnetic field or magnetic induction. I is current. Capital A is area of the coil. If the coil has number of turns, tau is equal NBIA. N stands for number of turns. Again, B is called as magnetic induction. I is the current. A is the area. If the coil makes angle theta with magnetic field, what is the torque? Tau is equal NBIA cos theta. If it is not makes the angle, theta is 0. Cos 0 is how much? 1. Okay. This is one of the important equation. With the help of this equation,